spray up the bolts, top and bottom. The nut is an 18 millimeter and the bolt head is a 15 millimeter. So let's take the bottom mounting bolt off. Yeah, I'm just going to come right out. So the good news is there's no pressure on that. So the top is 15 millimeter socket on the bolt because the nut has a lock tab on it. So you don't need to use a wrench and you should be able to just spin it right out. There we go. Now let's see if Sue can reach it. There we go. So before you install any shock, especially a gas shock, you want to start it, what we call start it, and you're going to compress it 3 times, and that will get the gases all moving and it will get it all ready to go up in there. So put your top of your strut in first, put the bolt through, and then I'm just going to put the bottom in. So I like to grab a pry bar and use that as leverage, because you've got to hold it and stop it from going past the point so you can get the bolt in. There we go. Put the lower nut on. And now we can put the upper nut in place. So I'm just going to hold that nut in place and tighten the top up.